G'day guys and welcome back to another 32 builds video. It's been a while and I'm back. In this video I'll be fitting up the rear axle along with the leaf springs, and then we'll be getting into painting the engine bay, finally. I'm installing the rear back into the car so I can sit it up on blocks and engage the handbrake while I crawl underneath it. They'll be coming back out of the car when I move on to working on the bed and rear panels. If you haven't seen the restoration of the leaf springs, check out the card on the top right. In that video I flip one of the leaves for a lower and stiffer rear suspension, so this will be the first time seeing the resulting ride height. These are my Hayashi Racing Street STs. They're 13x7 with a +6 offset. The fronts though are 13x6 with a +7 offset. The tyres on these bad boys are Nankang 165/55 R13s for both the front and the rear. It was actually quite a bit of a mission to find a size I was happy with, while also being available in Australia. We're not passing any shoe tests here, so I'm gonna have to go with some lowering blocks in order to get the ride height that I want. The end goal is to get a bit of poke with some over fenders, but that'll be something to figure out later down the track. All of the rear suspension is in except for the shocks. I've gone ahead and reinstalled the original handbrake system, just so she doesn't roll away from it. It's time to continue with the front of the car. I've chosen a Nardo Grey for the engine bay. I'm still undecided on the exterior colour of the car, but I figured anything will look good with a nice grey. I've used 2 cans of base and 2 cans of clear. It was barely enough to get me through this engine bay. I should have layered on the clear with at least 1 more can. I'll give the paint a light polish to remove any local overspray that ended up landing on already tried paint. Overall though, not too bad. It's not a professional job, but the bay is de-rusted and protected, and I'm a happy boy. So I'm pretty happy with the results, and I'm really excited to get the motor back into the car. It'll be super nice to get everything rolling again. I'll put the car back up on some ramps and crawl under to continue some rust work. I've still got a video coming on some suspension component restoration, so keep an eye out for that one. The plan from here is to get all the front suspension in so I can roll her around. Then I want to work on the rocker seals for each side of the car. From there I can work on getting the interior looking decent. That way I can put the steering in so I can steer her around. But overall there's still plenty of work to do on the ute, and I'm plenty excited for what's to come. It's been a hectic year for me at uni, so thank you everybody for being patient and tuning in to the channel. Your support means a lot to me, and I'm really excited to pump out some more videos for you. Peace.